What if I told you that one simple exercise could transform your body, boost your brain power, and make you an all-around better athlete? Sounds unbelievable, right? Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how jumping rope changes the human body. Jumping rope, it's something we all did as kids, laughing and playing without realizing the incredible impact it had on our bodies. But what if I told you that this simple childhood activity is actually one of the most powerful workouts you could ever do? For years, some of the world's top athletes, including legendary boxers, elite sprinters, and professional basketball players, have relied on jumping rope to build endurance, speed, and coordination. It's not just a warm-up. It's a secret weapon that can reshape your body, enhance your athleticism, and even sharpen your mind. But how does this simple movement create such a massive transformation? That's exactly what we're about to uncover. Let's start with a common misconception. Many people think that jumping rope is just for cardio. While it's true that it gets your heart pumping, it does much more than that. It's a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups at once, improves overall fitness, and torches fat faster than most workouts. Imagine an exercise that can sculpt your legs, define your shoulders, strengthen your core, and improve your stamina, all at the same time. That's the power of jump rope training. Think about how effortlessly boxers glide across the ring, how basketball players seem to have endless energy, or how sprinters explode off the starting line. What's the one thing they all have in common? They all use jump ropes in their training. This is because jumping rope develops key athletic skills: balance, coordination, rhythm, and explosiveness, all essential for high-level performance. But even if you're not an athlete, the benefits of jumping rope go far beyond sports. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve cardiovascular health, or just move better, this exercise delivers results. But here's where things get really interesting. Jumping rope doesn't just transform your body, it rewires your brain. Have you ever noticed how jump rope requires precise timing, coordination, and concentration? That's because it engages both the left and right hemispheres of your brain, strengthening neural connections that improve cognitive function. In fact, studies show that exercises like jumping rope enhance memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. So while you're burning calories and building muscle, you're also making your brain sharper and more efficient. Now, let's talk about the real impact on your body, the physical changes that happen when you start jumping rope regularly. The first thing you'll notice is how quickly your endurance improves. Even after just a few sessions, you'll start breathing easier, your heart rate will recover faster, and everyday activities will feel less exhausting. This is because jumping rope is an intense cardiovascular workout, strengthening your heart and lungs while increasing blood circulation. And here's a surprising fact: 10 minutes of jump rope is as effective as 30 minutes of running in improving heart health. That means you can get the same cardiovascular benefits in 1/3 of the time, a game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. And what about fat loss? This is where jumping rope truly stands out. If you've been struggling to burn fat and get lean, this might be the missing piece in your workout routine. Unlike steady-state cardio, which often leads to muscle loss, jump rope training torches calories while preserving lean muscle mass. On average, you can burn 600 to 1,000 calories per hour, depending on your speed and intensity. That's more than jogging, swimming, or even cycling. And because it engages both the upper and lower body simultaneously, it creates a metabolic effect that keeps your body burning fat long after you finish your workout. But here's the best part. Jumping rope doesn't just make you leaner, it also makes you stronger and more athletic. Unlike machines at the gym that isolate muscles, jump rope training teaches your body to move as a single coordinated unit. It strengthens the legs, core, shoulders, and arms, making every movement more powerful and efficient. This is why fighters use it to increase foot speed and agility, why basketball players use it to improve jumping ability, and why runners use it to build leg endurance. And yet, despite all these benefits, many people overlook jump rope as a serious workout. Some avoid it because they think it's too simple, while others assume they're not coordinated enough. But here's the truth. Anyone can learn to jump rope and the results speak for themselves. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to take your fitness to the next level, Jumping rope is one of the fastest ways to transform your body and performance. Now that you understand why this exercise is so powerful, let's dive deeper. In the next section, we'll break down exactly how jumping rope reshapes your body, from fat loss and muscle growth to improving endurance and explosive power. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you train forever. Now that we've established why jumping rope is far more than just a childhood game, let's break down the real physical transformations that take place when you commit to this simple yet powerful exercise. Whether your goal is to burn fat, build muscle, improve endurance, or boost athletic performance, jumping rope delivers results faster than most traditional workouts. Let's start with one of the biggest reasons people turn to fitness: fat loss. If you've struggled to shed excess body fat despite endless hours of running or dieting, then jumping rope might be the missing key in your routine. Unlike steady-state cardio, which often burns muscle along with fat, jump rope training preserves lean muscle while helping you burn a massive amount of calories. Think about this. A 10-minute jump rope session burns as many calories as running an 8-minute mile. That means in just a short session, you can supercharge your metabolism and trigger fat loss at an accelerated rate. But what makes it even more effective is the afterburn effect. Because of the high-intensity nature of jumping rope, your body continues to burn calories even after your workout ends. But what about muscle growth and definition? Unlike traditional cardio workouts that only focus on endurance, jumping rope activates and strengthens multiple muscle groups at the same time. Every time you jump, your calves, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes work together to generate explosive power. Your core muscles stabilize your movement, helping you build a stronger and more defined midsection. And because jump rope also engages the shoulders, arms, and wrists, it helps develop upper body endurance and definition. This is why boxers, who rely on explosive full-body strength, use jumping rope as a staple in their training. Now, let's talk about cardiovascular endurance, because this is where jumping rope truly excels. If you feel out of breath after just a few flights of stairs or struggle to maintain stamina during workouts, incorporating jump rope into your routine will transform your endurance levels. Unlike traditional cardio, which often focuses only on one muscle group at a time, jump rope forces your entire body to work together efficiently, training your heart and lungs to deliver oxygen more effectively. In fact, research has shown that just 10 minutes of jump rope per day can improve cardiovascular health as much as 30 minutes of jogging. That's 3 times the efficiency in 1/3 of the time. And let's not forget about explosiveness and athleticism. If you've ever watched an elite athlete move, whether it's a sprinter exploding off the starting line, a basketball player making a sudden cut, or a boxer dodging a punch, you'll notice one thing: speed and power are everything. Jump rope training improves both by developing fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for rapid, powerful movements. This is why jumping rope is one of the best drills for sprinters, fighters, football players, and anyone who needs to move quickly and efficiently. The constant bouncing motion strengthens the ankles, knees, and stabilizing muscles, reducing the risk of injury while improving reaction time. But there's one aspect of jumping rope that often gets overlooked: the impact on mental health and brain function. While the physical benefits are obvious, the neurological effects of jumping rope are just as impressive. Because it requires rhythm, timing, and coordination, jump rope strengthens the connection between the brain and body, enhancing motor skills, balance, and even cognitive function. Studies show that activities requiring coordination, like jumping rope, improve memory, focus, and problem-solving abilities. This is why it's often used as a brain-boosting exercise in sports and rehabilitation programs. Now that you understand how jumping rope reshapes the body, how long does it take to see results? The answer depends on consistency. Within the first week, you'll notice an improvement in endurance and agility. After 2 to 3 weeks, fat loss will become visible, and muscles will appear more toned. And after 1 to 2 months, you'll experience a significant transformation: stronger legs, improved athleticism, better posture, and enhanced stamina. So what does this all mean for you? Whether you're an athlete looking to level up your performance, someone trying to lose weight and get fit, or simply searching for an efficient full-body workout, jumping rope is the ultimate tool. It requires no expensive equipment, no fancy gym memberships, just a rope and commitment. And the best part? It works for everyone, regardless of fitness level. But what if I told you there's an even smarter way to train with jumping rope? One that maximizes results in half the time. If you want to learn how to create the perfect jump rope routine for your specific goals, click on the video popping up on the screen right now. It will show you exactly how to get the most out of your jump rope workouts and take your fitness to the next level. See you there.